guys, what's up? So today's video is another review video, and today I'm going to review these PAC brushes which I bought recently. You must have seen in the Nika haul I bought these brushes. So PAC as a brand I feel is doing really well. They create very professional looking products and very popular among all us Indian YouTubers. So let me start with the review. These PAC brushes, they come nicely packed in a pouch like this, and you can unzip it and the brush comes out. So you have another packing over the brush. Now just have a look at this brush. I think it's very professional looking. It's not some random flimsy brush. It's very sturdy and looks very high quality. As far as the bristles are concerned, I think it's very soft. The hair is very fine. I really like the quality of these brushes. So let's start with the foundation brush first, and this is a buffing brush, as you can see. Very densely packed, and I used it to do my makeup today, and I think it's fabulous and has a bigger surface area, so covers a bigger portion on your face, and your foundation is done in a jiffy. So I think it's great. Might shed a couple of hair here and there, but I think it's absolutely fine for the price. I think this was around 500 rupees. I'll list down the prices below. So this brush, it gives a very natural finish, really buffs in the foundation in your skin, puts it inside, and your skin looks very natural and does not look cakey. As far as the coverage is concerned, I think it will not give a great coverage, but your makeup will look very natural. So for a natural looking makeup, this brush is just perfect. Next brush is this Flattop stippling brush. It's a dual fiber brush. Again, used great for foundation. So you may use this brush when you want really flawless looking makeup, when you want that all your imperfections should be hidden. Then I think this is a great foundation brush, because it really layers the foundation on your face. It packs it on your face. So it really covers the blemishes and the dark spots on your skin, because it really layers the product on your face. So that's this brush, and as far as the packaging is concerned, look is concerned, I think it's beautiful. It's very professional, very sturdy. So that's the stippling brush. Next is this number 019 concealer brush. Okay, so this is slightly angled, if you can notice. So it's great for the sunken in areas, like areas below your eyes, the under eyes. Really goes inside and presses the product inside. So it is great for concealing, and moreover it has a bigger surface area in comparison to a normal concealer brush. So when you have a lot of blending to do, I think it's great because it will blend a bigger area. So that's for that. Next is this PAC 261 beautiful medium powder brush. Now it can double up easily as your blush brush. It's just perfect and fits so nicely on your cheekbones. I think it's really good. It's extremely soft. The hair, the bristles are so soft, like feather, and it's beautiful looking, professional looking brush. So it's great to apply, even set your under eyes powder with this, or you want to set your entire face or your T-zone, and or just apply blush with this. I think it's great. So I think this is one of my favorite of all the brushes. Next is this bigger powder blush. It's a fluffy brush, has synthetic hair, and great for the overall application of powder. Nothing fancy about it. It's like a regular powder brush. In fact, I find it very similar to the Body Shop one if you have used it. So this is PAC powder brush number 282. So that's that. Next I have this concealer brush, again synthetic hair bristles, and perfect to conceal smaller spots. Next is I bought these three eye brushes, if you can see. I have used a couple of them, so they might look dirty a little bit. So let me start with this angle brush. I just use it around my lips to clean the edges of my lipstick. But the main purpose I feel of this brush could be to either create a winged eyeliner. I think this will be a great brush for that, or especially for your gel liners. And second, to apply a pomade or a wax on your eyebrows. I think it'll be great for that too. So very tightly packed bristles, and it's very sleek, so you can really create a thin line with this brush. So that's another brush. Next I have these two blending brushes. One is a bigger fluffy blending brush, the other is a little small. So this is PAC 028, the bigger blending brush, and it's great for the overall blending at the crease. I did my blending with this brush today and I think it was fabulous. So this is great for the price. The main thing about these products is that they are so professional, yet price wise they are quite affordable. So PAC, you guys are doing a great job with your brushes. The next brush is this smaller blending brush for more precise application directly on your crease. So when you have especially for cut crease and all, I think this brush will be just perfect. So guys, these were the brushes and my honest opinion about them. Thank you very much for watching the video, and if you want to see more of such videos or review about any product, then please let me know and I'll be happy to do it for you. Alright, so see you guys. Stay blessed, stay happy. Bye.